Well, there's videos we don't want to post, but it's been a rough year, and just found out a few minutes ago my mother died. So it's about 10 to 8 right now. About 7 o'clock, I guess, she died this morning. So anyway, she's been in the hospital for the last couple weeks. She fell out and broke her hip and stuff, and we were all hoping to get her home and get her back here, family, but didn't make it. So saw her a few days ago. A couple days ago I saw her. She was kind of half in, half out. She got better yesterday afternoon. She got a lot better. She's back faculty wise. She knew who everybody was again. She was a big improvement over what it was when I saw her. She was pretty out of it when I saw her. But anyway, we're hoping she's going to recover and get back in a couple weeks back home here. 2 weeks to a month, but it is what it is. So anyway, I'm letting everybody know. It just happened, so it is what it is. Anyway, we knew it was going to happen. She's been failing health all year long. It's just getting worse and worse. But anyway, just letting everybody know. So that's all I can say. Bye. I forgot. I'm going to go ahead and post a video of the last video I had of Mom so you can see how she was. She was out there tire kicking a panhead out in front of us shop here. So a lot of people saw the video. They liked it. I'm going to repost it so you can see how she was. She's like the whole family. She's definitely our own selves. Alright, I'm out of here.
Hello.
Hello.
Supervisor.
Mom, it's been a long time.
Got the supervisor coming.
Yeah. How you doing?
Pretty good.
All righty.
So what is this?
Huh?
What is this?
I'm not sure. I was just trying to determine that.
I'm trying to determine what it
It's
is.
not a standard Harley gold color.
No,
It's a
no.
Harley fender. It must be a remake of a, not a pan head, it's an iron head.
No, it ain't no iron head.
It is too. Those are aluminum heads.
How's that make it iron?
Well, aluminum head.
Aluminum iron head. Okay.
Looks like you got a clutch problem.
Yeah,
Whoa,
it's open.
Yeah, it's open, yeah.
Why don't you look on the other side of the bike, you can see what it is.
I hope you're not photographing.
Yes, we are.
You would thank you.
But you got your skirt down this time, so you're okay. Last time we had our skirt up.
Oh, really?
What is it now?
Oh, you got the tank off.
Yeah. What kind of motor is it now?
That used to be the gas side, I think. I've forgotten.
Yeah. What kind of motor is it now?
The pan head.
There you go.
Well, I was going to say panhead because of the fenders and the glide,
There you go.
but I couldn't
Hello?
see it up in there. No, it's definitely.
Hello?
And now is that one of these new ones or an old one?
No, it's an old one, a 59. It's an oldie.
Yeah, but it's the wrong color yellow.
Well, he likes weird colors.
It's a beautiful color. I love it.
It put a little pearl in it. That's what changed it.
Well, no, usually it's an aqua or a red or a blue.
Blue.
Yeah.
She likes some
I
stock
don't see
bikes.
the
stock
yellow very
colors,
much.
yeah.
She's not
They
used to
have a yellow, but I
aftermarket
didn't
looking
think it was
bikes.
that color.
These modern bikes.
Well, she's been around it all these years, you
She
know.
knows what they are.
Yeah.
Gotta get the memory working. Brain cells have to get warmed up a little.
Oh, you
Like your
like
bike, they get
fishtails.
warmed up. What about the
I
fishtail?
like fishtails.
You like
You
that
like
fishtail?
She likes fishtails.
She even
There you
knows
go.
the fishtails.
Yeah, I like fishtails.
She knows
Good
what bikes.
little flare.
She knows what bikes
Oh
are.
yeah, well all
She
these
knows-
years with your dad and then
She knows
you.
the parts.
Yeah.
She surprised a lot of people. She knows what they're riding and what they're
So
working
what
on.
is this thing? I don't recognize that.
That's because of an oil gauge. We never had those on bikes.
They come with. They
It's a
don't
typical
come
oil
with
gauge. The needle's in the same spot whether it runs or doesn't. So
It's just there for looks. It doesn't work.
Well,
at least it doesn't leak like
I
everybody
don't
else.
ever recall Harley having an oil gauge.
They never did.
You didn't.
They just sort of let it run through the bottom.
Are you gonna kickstart it for us? We're getting tired.
Huh?
Are you gonna kickstart it? We're getting tired. You have to use.
I can barely stand up.
Well, you only can use one cane when you kick though. You have to use the other foot to kick.
I don't think that's going to work too well.
No, you have to use one to hold and one to kick. You can
There
do
you
it.
go.
I don't even know if I can get my knee that high.
Yeah.
Yeah, the leg doesn't go that high. Well, we got a crate. You can stand on the crate.
Did you start them back in your day?
Huh?
Did you start them up back in your day?
Heavens no.
She don't like
I
bikes.
don't like motorcycles.
Okay.
She don't like
I
them.
really don't.
She knows what they are, but she don't like them. All right, we got to where it starts now, so.
Oh man, Tatro, I tell you, you're a
Well,
hell of
this
a
is different.
mechanic.
That's not panhead.
No, it's not.
Chevrolet, late model. Yeah,
she can-
65.
she can
65, I think it's correct.
AMF? Got that kind of crap?
Well, yeah, you get a crap for EMF.
Oh, you're missing a.
Yeah, it's missing some
a
screws. It's got a lot of things that it needs
Well,
to.
your trim's gonna fall off.
It still needs to be worked
Yeah,
on.
she's picking on his bike.
Yeah.
You're picking on his bike.
That's good. Hell, he picked on us all day.
Yeah.
Whew. Gave your son a run.
Yeah.
Half that's my own fault for not checking the splitter correctly, but oh
Yeah,
well.
but you're a hell of a mechanic, Tatro.
What happened to the
Man, I'll tell
creeper?
you, you know your stuff.
You don't use creepers anymore?
I bought those new pads. They work pretty good.
Yeah, but they don't roll.
I like
They
those.
don't roll.
No, you can just kick them.
You just kick them over. They got a little more padding on
And
them.
they're low.
That doesn't work.
They're more
when you're laying on
comfortable,
your
too.
back.
Yeah.
They're more comfortable
Hey, I
anyway.
saved my husband's life with those wheels.
Those wheels, I bet. Pulled them out of there
If
quick.
it had
huh?
those wheels, he would have had a transmission land right on his chest.
Ooh, man.
That would have been the end of it.
Drag his butt out.
Wow.
That's how I met him.
Is that right?
Yes, I grabbed a
Crippled.
big long torque wrench and I jammed it under that transmission as fast as I could. I said, "Get out!"
Wow.
And he said, "Why?" I said, "Get out now! I can't hold it." And zoom! One push, he was gone.
Look at how quick you were to think that. Put that right
And
there.
he-
Wow.
The transmission missed his foot by 1 inch.
She used to work on her own car. She did her own transmission rebuilds in her
Really?
own cars.
Wow.
Yeah.
What year were you rebuilding
I
your
grabbed the
trannies?
longest wrench I could find.
What year were you rebuilding your
Wow,
trannies
that's
on your car?
Huh?
What year were you rebuilding your tranny on your car?
I can't hear you.
What year did you rebuild your tranny on your car? Your transmission, you used to take them apart.
Oh, that was a 48 Ford.
Modern vehicle.
Wow.
My brother had a 48 Ford. He said if I damaged the transmission, I had to repair it. So I took off every gear off low gear. Stripped it clean.
Wow.
He had a
ain't that
spare
something?
cluster, so I found the cluster. And I took the whole thing apart and put it back together.
You got a family of mechanics.
That was
And machinists.
That was before Dad.
Yeah, look at that.
57 probably.
Oh, here comes Ian.
I was in high school.
There you go.
Wow.
All right, we'll get back to this later.
And he came home and he says,
What? Oh, I got more
"Well, I got to
stories.
take my transmission apart until it's all done." He said, "What are you talking about?" I just completed it. And he says, "I can't run with with you doing the transmission. You don't know what to." I says, "Look, take it up to Riverside and try it out." He got 2 full runs off of it. He came back, he says, "Sherry, I've never gotten 2 full runs."
So that was
Wow.
a drag
He said, "I got
racing.
2.5
I wonder,
runs.
I wonder why the low gear was broken. It wasn't her.
He says, "Maybe I should have you build my transmissions."
That's pretty cool. Wow. Ain't that
I
something?
says, "No, I don't remember how it goes back together." I had a lot of problem with the dogs.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
And
they.
I had a problem with the shaft. It wouldn't line up right.
Oh,
We'll
well.
let the dogs work right, huh?
That's right. The dogs and the leashes weren't
Yeah.
Well,
working.
everything, but I couldn't get the shaft to line up front to rear. And the dogs, it was funny.
Yeah. Yeah.
They're like cast iron or something. Funny
Ain't that
looking
so?
things. That's why they're called dogs.
That's
I couldn't
pretty
get
cool.
those things to work. I finally got those to work. I was happy.
There you go.
Wow.
I did that in about 2 hours.
So next video we'll have a
Wow.
48 Ford transmission rebuild.
Yeah, there you go. Get the dogs going.
There you go. All right, we're out of here.
Oh,
All right, for everybody's wondering what I've been doing on my vacation for Thanksgiving. Can you tell how dirty I'm at what I've been doing? I've been doing house repair. So we've been laying concrete down here last all week long. So this is what we do around here for vacation. These posts are all broken out over here. So we've been fixing them. And Mom's having problems getting it up off the porch, so we have the handrail in there. It's all concreted. We added from here out, all the way on down, you can see. This is all busted up for over years. So we took our bricks here and added them out here and made more of a step for her. Cleaned up her yard a little bit, her weeds. Redid all this. So she's over there playing with the concrete right now. So basically just redoing all this. This was busted out all the way up to here. This is all new here. So we got 8 bags over there. There's 12 bags right here. And I just did another 6.5 bags, I think there. 7 bags? 7 bags, I think. Right there. So we're putting our foundation back in here for our porch, which holds up our porch up here. So, working away. Dug out all the big weeds that were in here. So she's over there playing right now.
I don't have weeds.
You have weeds everywhere.
They're flowers.
Yeah, look at all those weeds back there, all over weeds. Yeah, she's in charge of concrete finishing work.
Left of it.
So this one was all busted out, so I put all new that, doubled the area, and went down pretty deep. So that's a 12 by board, so that's 10 inches almost down there, 9 inches in the ground. So that'll do that pretty good. So these are all their junk cactuses that I can't touch. They're over here for now. They were on top of that board right there going across. There, are you happy now?
No.
No, you're not happy? Oh well, too
I
bad.
didn't have my dress down.
Too bad. We don't care.
I know, but I care.
Yeah, nobody cares on video.
I'm no beauty.
So the city said this was a junk pile in here. I don't know why they had that impression. So, well, I also made a handrail down there in my sister's house down there. Gonna see it. That's that black pole going up. That was definitely a loud yelling match. But I just did it anyway, I don't care. Well, here's some more weeds floating around. So this is my big mess out here I gotta do. I don't know, there's about 20 bags right here. Maybe I need some help for this. Let's see, the city redid my driveway down there because they took out the telephone pole and screwed up my driveway. So they replaced that whole driveway. So we scooped up the extra concrete and did this here, and we did some other work on there too. Filled some first holes in the porch. So this here needs to be kind of semi-broken out, but not too much because we want to keep the pull in here. So I need to go out further, encapsulate all the way around here. Probably stick a board right here against my step and fill it, and then fill all that in. Go all the way down to here. And maybe we'll do something about that too. Nah, we'll get too carried away. So anyway, that's the next big project. Yeah, Walker didn't come by to help either. So there you go. So that's what I do on my vacation. Yeah, who has vacations around here? So that's how I walk in every day. It's my path to work. Oh well, it's getting a little better. We gotta figure out what we're gonna do with all these junk plants she's got. Maybe we'll throw a few along in here. Make up our little, take some of this block and make a little terrace with it and get them off my board. My beam got all eaten up down there from all the years and years of water, and rot got into it. Yeah, it's not too good a board anymore. But there you go. She's over there putting her edging on there. Look how straight these lines are. Yeah, she likes to slip on there. Oh well, she's having fun. That's all that matters, all right? All right, well, there you go. Update for Tatro's vacation.